Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OnePay payment failed problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, first what you can do is check common issues like insufficient balance in your linked account, incorrect recipient details, network issues, weak Wi-Fi or mobile data, and expired or blocked card if you are paying by card. The next step is to simply head over and refresh the app or restart the app by simply closing it by holding it to the middle and then closing it all, and then once again restarting the app by opening it. Sometimes it may fix the issue, but if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply drop down your toolbar, then long tap on the Wi-Fi connection and then tap on the Wi-Fi connection and change it. If that doesn't work, simply switch it to the mobile data and make sure the mobile internet connection is working and switch between avoid public networks that might block payments. Then next is to update or reinstall the app. If that doesn't work, simply head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in OnePay, and once the search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply in order to fix the issue that you are having. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.